those videos about catcalling, right?
Sucks.
Just don't do it.
It's gross.
Well, there's one more thing.
Now that we've handled that whole catcalling problem completely.
Wait, what?
Stop talking to our dogs! All of us hate it. Men.
Women.
Well, not all men.
Fucking annoying.
Remember, the #1 reason humans have dogs is because they don't like other humans.
People walking their dogs are trying to go somewhere.
Or get some exercise.
Or leave their dog shit on Dr. Jeffrey's lawn.
There's no right time to stop someone while they walk their dog.
Not early in the morning.
Nice dog.
And definitely not late at night.
Hey! Does your dog bite? Hi, puppy. Hello.
And not during a constitutional crisis.
I think this kind of money will help you get what you need. Walter killed the dog.
Remember, a dog you see in the park is there for one thing.
It's taking a shit.
And it can't understand you anyway. So don't stop it.
Don't pet it.
Just leave us alone.
Don't talk to my dog.
Don't talk to my dog.
Don't talk to my dog!